Welcome back! It's me, Kyro, with a new collaboration video. One of the things I love the most about the doll community is meeting new people on the way, and today's collab is with one of my very good friends, Jacob from BlankSpaceDolls. I was waiting so much for him to start a YouTube channel, and now that he's here, I felt like we needed to collab ASAP. We both have similar styles, so it was very easy to choose a theme, Femme Fatale, so watch out, you shouldn't mess with this, ladies. For this project, I'm using Nefera de Nile. I want this girl to be very seductive, so the big sister proportions will work phenomenal. I blushed her body before recording, so I'll start marking with brown pencil her new features. For the lips, I wanted something like an ombre look, from black to purple. I've seriously lost count of how many times I've erased her eyebrows, and at this point I knew something was not working with this repaint. The eyes are wrong, the brows are so wrong, and the lips were not looking as planned, so I decided to erase everything and start again off camera. Okay, take two. This is her new face. I want her to have a different type of brows that I'm used to do, so they will be more straight. With darker brown, I'll make some hair strokes. I want her to be a poisonous woman, so her eyes will be purple. I'll darken the tip of the brows and also marking the waterline as usual. Then, with black pencil, I'll darken the initial eye lines. Some bottom lashes, and a very subtle wing liner. And after that, I'll fill the sclera with white acrylic, 1 or 2 coats of sealant, and it's time for the makeup. This time, I'll make a black smoky eye. The eyes are getting very dirty, but the sealant helps me to protect them, so when I finish with the black, I just have to erase it. For the blush, I just use red pastels and a makeup blending brush. To highlight the face, I'll use white pastel under the eyes, forehead, and also bake the jawline to cut the contour. To give some details to the eyes, I'll add little lines to the iris with golden acrylic paint. And also some violet. Add the shine of the eyes, and we're almost done. To create the gradient lips I wanted, I'm filling them with black glitter. And then, just on the center, I'm adding some purple glitter. I'll add 3D lashes and tam for the hair. I use a platinum blonde yarn to make some wefts. And then I'll hot glue them to the head. Remember to mark the place where you want the wefts to be. I won't show the complete footage of this, because it was a lot of struggle for me. This was the second time ever I worked with yarn, and it was a complete pain. And this is the final result. Also, I make this spider-looking headpiece using some pins and Svetlana's old headdress. I'll finish the fascinator using some black lace. For the dress, I use black ribbon for the top. and I'll sew it on a piece of leather. Using black sheer fabric, I made a skirt. And we're done. I present to you Daphne, the Spider Queen. And her sister, the alluring and dangerous Bellamira. The two of them look so great together, and it was a complete blast working with Jacob. So please go and watch his video. The link to his channel is down on the description box. I really love reading all your comments, so don't miss a chance to ask me anything. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to get notified for more doll fun. Also, follow me on Instagram, so you can see some previews for my next doll projects and more detailed shots. Hope I'll see you on the next time. Kyro out.